Hi everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we're installing some Hella style horns on the Subaru. So yeah, we're going to install some Hella style horns. Now I really like the look of these. They're not the official ones because I'm not made of money. All they need to do is work. They're primarily there just for looks. So as long as they beep, then I'll pass an MOT, which is all that matters. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take this grill off. Now I'm planning on getting a different one of these as well, but if you've never done it before, it's really simple. All you do is push down these little plastic clips, he says, and you should be able to pop off like so. And that's everything out, nice and simple. That is out of the way. Now what's really cool is we do have a bar that we can use to mount these in, so they sit perfectly. So first of all, what we're going to do is come around to the front. We'll see what we've got. So we've got the original horns. I'm hoping I can just use the power from these to run straight into those horns. They're a bit dirty, a bit grubby, but let's get these off and get the new ones on. So what's quite cool is it is just held in just off the normal sort of T-pieces, which should connect up into these quite comfortably. So grab some gloves because it's a bit gunky in there. Probably should clear it down at some point. But we've got a little Allen key, which is great. And in here, we've got the bracket. Now the bracket should mount like so, is my thinking. So we'll pop this one off, try and hold everything in place so it doesn't ping out, because that'd be really sad if that was the case. And we'll make sure that's going to go in. We'll then mount these the right way around into the bracket that we're going to put on. So first thing we're going to do is grab our tools. I'm going to take the old horns out. Next thing we're going to do is remove this bottom one here. So the old horns are out of the way. Let's pull these off. Not with that one then. Must be the same. Yep. So yeah, what we're now going to do, take off this middle bolt down here. That's going to hold the main supporting bracket. I'm not going to fully take that out because I don't know what that's fully holding on, and I don't want to take it out until I'm ready to basically plug everything else in, or commit that everything else is ready to go. So what we're going to do is confirm that that will, is it that the right way around? I think it is. Yeah, that looks like it's the right way around, which is great. Which means we now know which way our main horns have to go. Card together though. It is, exactly. So this will basically fit like that. Which, if you ask me, is going to look the dog's bollocks. Just got to wire it in now. So, after having a look through the kit and trying to work out what each thing does, don't really know what that does. It's a relay of some sort, but worked out I don't really need it. So, what we've got is we've got two power sources coming off. One of them needs to go into each of the horns. And then you want to basically use these connecting cables in between and use this as a ground. So I'm guessing that might be what this is for. So what we're going to do is ground this onto here and use that upon this as the grounding point. In theory, that should work. If not, it might be because this is painted and I'll just ground it onto here separately. Worked out the rough plan for how it's all going to go. Got my ground sorted. That's then going to connect into positive, negative, and we should be okay. Oh, not positive, but just positive. Not positive, negative, but yeah, just positive. Let's get that in. It's going the wrong way. Nice. Like that, innit? That's about right. Jumping for some reason. It was jumping, great. That's right. Alright, that's definitely in. So one of them, it's essentially how the wiring works. If one goes on, that should be part of your ground system. And then the other power comes directly in. Like so. Then take the other one. Power in. And ground. These are going to need to be extended, I think. Right, this power needs to be made a bit longer. So, yeah, not going to reach sadly, but we'll just daisy chain a little bit of... story of my life, I wasn't big enough. So I've had to make a tiny little extender, which will go into the old harness, or the OEM harness, which will then plug into one of these. So that's applying power, and then plugging into one of them. Now before I struggle and getting the bolts on the back, let's see if it makes a noise. It makes a noise. So now on the final stretch, what we're going to do is take these, and I'm going to have to make another extender. Poop. At least I know it works. Give me 2 moments, I'm going to make another extender and I'll be back. Had to make another extender. However, it's now time to zip tie everything up out of the way so it's secure, and then we can tighten these up finally and get the grill back on and have a look what they look like. So let's just... So what we've done, tied everything down. We'll zip tie and clean it up a little bit, but I want to see what it looks like with the grill on. So to reinstall the grill, take the grill, line it back up, and line up with these tiny little plastic clips that are on top. Oh, that looks pretty smart, doesn't it? Definitely needs a different grill though. But hopefully that will be here soon.
Now just imagine holes like that behind this.
And now behind that, yeah. It's doable. That does look smart though. Just need to change front grill.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like with this standard grille. However, I think we can make it look better. 3, 2, 1. Seamless. So it's raining, tent box is on, the car's moved around. It's like a couple weeks later, but finally, new grille. It looks a bit better. I'm happy with it. I think I might mesh the front of it. It's completely empty right the way through. But at the moment I'm trying to deal with a slightly overheating issue, but it's a Subaru, so that's normal. But I think it looks a lot better. So please let me know what you think. Anyway, please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.